What is up, YouTube man? Today we're back at it again with HIIT training. I told you I'm gonna do it. It's me, Gymaholic, and without further ado, man, let's go. Today we will talk about what is HIIT, the benefits of it, variations you can do, and even 2 example workouts, So what is HIIT? HIIT is short for high intensity interval training, which basically means 25 seconds high intensity and then 45 seconds low intensity, As you can see here, it's low intensity. As soon as this explodes, he starts sprinting, which means high intensity. Some benefits of HIIT, though the workouts are pretty fast, you'll be done in 20 to 40 minutes. It burns fat, it improves your cardiovascular health, and you can do it anywhere with basically any exercise. For example, you can do it with push-ups, with pull-ups, with dips, and jumping rope, running. For example, here we got Goku, running. And yeah, some variations you can do. There are 2 ways to do it. The first one is sticking to one movement. I took running as an example, which means you sprint for 25 seconds and then you follow it up with 45 seconds of jogging and then rinse and repeat. And you just do that. And then if you want to stick to more movements, it can be done like this, first round 25 second sprints, second round 45 second jogging, and then you go down to the second round, which is 25 seconds of high intensity jump rope. So jumping as fast and as explosively as you can, and then 45 seconds of normal speed. And here are the example workouts. As you can see, the first one is just sticking to one movement. It took walking for 1 minute and then running for 30 seconds, rinse and repeat. And the second one is basically squatting 30 seconds, then you rest for 15 seconds, burpees 30 seconds, rest 15 seconds, and so on. Just pause the video, look at it yourself, try it out. It really helps, and it even helps me, burn some fat. Alright man, that's it. Like and subscribe if it helped you out, and comment questions what other videos you want me to do. And yeah man, I appreciate it. Alright, see ya.